Welcome back to TL's Hobby Center. Today we're doing a Speed Champions McLaren set. And it's the Solus GT and the McLaren F1 LM. And the part number for this one is a 76918. It's a 581 piece model. And from the front, it looks like a really cool pack because you get two cars in one. I think it's roughly about 25 to 30 bucks if I can remember correctly. And all the renderers on this look actually really cool, the way that they have them set up for F1 racing and roadworthy racing. And you can see that it's the F1 style car, which is this little guy right here, and then you got the actual McLaren up top. That's the GT. So it's a halfway decent build. I mean, you get 2 for 1 basically, and you get a good buck out of it, and they're both matching sets, so it'd be neat for a display piece. But let's go and get this thing opened up and see what we have inside. Well, here we go. It's a 4-piece system, which 2 bags per car. And as you can see, you got the 2 instruction manuals for each car. You also have 2 sets of stickers for each car. This is for the GT, and this is for the F1. And then the GT gets its own frame base for starting it off. And which, in case you couldn't tell, you could also look in the book in case you didn't know which one goes to which, because this one does not have that. But simple as that. We'll start off each one doing the usual time lapse on each one. We'll go get these both built and done. Then we'll go and jump to what these things look like at the end, and then we'll do some size comparison and see what the cars physically look like in comparisons, and we'll go from there. So sit back, relax, and let's jump into this. Let's go. Alrighty, here we go. We got ourselves some nice models here. Nice kit, all in all. The McLarens are both very detail oriented, but they're definitely fragile compared to most Lego models. Mostly this one's more fragile than anything for the whole kit itself. Mainly because of these couple pieces here, they tend to fall off and say, oops. But other than that, that's the worst part of it. But it is what it is. You're not really supposed to, hardcore play with these, so that it is what it is. It's what you would expect. But all in all, they're really nice. And we're gonna get you guys a side view of these real quick. A front view of each. And then a rear view of each. All in all, they're both really cool. Definitely worth the money for the bang for your buck, for spending maybe 30 bucks I think it was for the kit. But for a good comparison, I'm going to show you guys the one Lamborghini I built, the Countach. And here it is pretty much compared to them. It's relatively about there in size. You can tell there's a little bit of similarities in the front of these. Slightly, they're different though, but they're still there. Definitely a good size for the all orange one, not the F1 style. There's also a GTR compared to them too, which is our more previous build I just recently did too. So they're about the same size for what you're going to pay for, so that's good. And then I also have a, you know, a Technic style car that you have too, and there's the Speed Champions size, obviously, so you're not going to expect to be having a big car, but two of them kind of makes up for the big one. In my eyes, that's how that works out for me. So, all in all, I'm happy with how these are. So, that's really about it. I mean, I don't really have too much to complain other than them being a little fragile, but that's what you expect. I mean, nothing's that you build Lego is made to survive abuse, bond abuse for this kind of stuff. So it is what it is. I'm not that kind of dinging on that because of that. But they're definitely neat display pieces and my favorite color too, so I had to pick this one up. But that's what I'm all very happy about. I mean, it was a nice kit. I'm glad I did it. I have another one somewhere. I forget exactly what the brand was there. I know there's a Corvette version of it too that you can do. I forget my other one I have to look around for it. But yeah, I mean, if you guys have any questions for this, I mean, if this is one of your guys' favorite kits, let me know what you guys did if you guys did this, and let me know. But other than that, that's all I got for you guys. We're going to jump into some more builds here soon. Hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, drop a comment again if you guys have any questions. Much very appreciative if you guys can. And that's about it. Keep on building, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.